Motes of dust are dancing in the beam, weaving through a half-forgotten dream. The floorboards whisper secrets of the past, shadows that were never meant to last, fading light upon the wall. Oh, golden falling dust, turn this heavy heart into a husk. Let the quiet room grow still, resting on the lonely windowsill. Let the dark consume the winter chill. Moving like a ghost, losing what I love the most. In the silence of the hall, watching empty shadows fall. Oh, golden falling dusk, turn this heavy heart into a husk. Let the quiet room grow still, turn me into starlit dust. Turn memories into clay, wash the heavy grief away. Make me light as the evening air, floating without a single care. Feel the quiet start to grow in the only home I know. Turn me into starlit dust. Turn me into starlit dust.